This little white box promises to keep your drinks ice cold, even in the middle of nowhere, but can it actually deliver? We're diving into the 8-liter mini refrigerator that's been making some waves. First off, the size is incredibly compact, measuring just under 10 inches deep and about 17 inches tall. It's designed to be freestanding, so you can pop it anywhere in your dorm room, office, or even in the car. What really caught my eye was the claim of rapid cooling technology, capable of reaching temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. That's seriously cold for something this small. The eco-friendly insulation using cyclopentane materials and a special foaming process sounds impressive for thermal retention, meaning it should keep things cool without constantly running. For those planning to use this in their vehicle, the car battery protection feature is a lifesaver. It automatically shuts off to prevent draining your car's battery, which is a crucial detail for any portable fridge. And the noise level. A reported 45 decibels. That's quieter than a typical conversation, so it shouldn't be a distraction whether you're trying to sleep or focus. Operation seems straightforward with user-friendly controls, and for the tech-savvy, there's even an optional app for remote control. That's a nice touch for added convenience. The single-door design is simple and effective for an 8-liter capacity, and the automatic defrost system means less hassle for the user. In practice, this mini fridge is surprisingly capable. It gets cold, and it gets cold fast. We found it maintained its temperature well, even with frequent opening and closing. The quiet operation is a definite plus. You barely notice it's on. The car battery protection worked as advertised, giving peace of mind on longer trips. While 8 liters isn't huge, it's perfect for a few drinks, some snacks, or essential medications. It's not going to replace your main refrigerator, but for its intended purpose, it's a fantastic little unit. The build quality feels solid, and the white finish is clean and modern. Overall, this 8-liter mini refrigerator is a surprisingly powerful and versatile cooling solution. It excels in its compact size, rapid cooling capabilities, and thoughtful features like car battery protection and quiet operation. It's a great option for anyone needing portable, efficient cooling.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.